first question, part of what I thought when I was screening the first episode made the show so fun to watch is the dynamic between the three of you. How long did it take for you guys to get to the stage that you're at now in terms of co-parenting?
I mean, I would say the co-parenting has been smooth going all the way back to 2016 because, divorce is very tough and, kids are sensitive and we want to make sure that the kids were taken care of. But I would say over the last 4 years, it's gotten even stronger, bringing Heather into our world and Heather being a stepmom and Heather building a relationship with Christina and now all of us working together. It's just kind of brought us all back together as a family and it's been very refreshing.
I would say that even despite any arguments or issues that, we were having, the kids never knew about any of it, right? Truly. Yeah. And the kids would never have ever thought that none of us were not getting along, right? But those are issues long ago. Things have been really good for many years.
Yeah. And you feel like the kids feel like they have multiple sets of parents now.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
They get extra love.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, the kids are happy, healthy, thriving. Yeah. They're all playing sports. They love being with Christina. They love being with us.
Yeah. They're super happy kids.
Yeah, they love all the parties and the 2 Christmases and all the presents. Like they'll milk it all the way to the end.
It's nice too because her and I can help keep each other organized too because there's a lot of school stuff and sports stuff, and her and I are constantly talking every day about that. And
it's a lot.
We share the sports bags and the school backpacks, so it's a lot of coordinating and it, we're really helping each other out.
Nice. Do you think that they're gonna watch the flip off?
We're gonna make them.
Yeah,
not by choice.
We're having a premiere party at my house tomorrow night, and the kids will be there. So yeah, they'll be watching.
We're gonna sit down and watch the show.
Is there anything that the camera doesn't catch that people might be interested in?
Oh my gosh, there's so much.
Oh yeah, the kids. Braden's crazy, and in the best way, but he's mouthy.
Oh, he's an animal.
They're both just so witty and funny and smart and argumentative. Yep. It's like balancing and 14-year-old and 9-year-old, and now we have a 2-year-old, so it's a lot.
Yeah. Do you guys each have a piece of advice for readers or fans who might be struggling with co-parenting or who are still trying to figure out the best way to co-parent with their ex-partner?
I've just noticed that some people can hold on to grudges and literally die like that, with so much grudges from the past about things that if you put other things into perspective don't really matter. Everyone goes through trials, hard times, and it's really how you move forward and just deciding to have closure over that and move on with peace. And because really in the end of the day,
co-parenting adults need to accept responsibility. So if someone's not having a great time co-parenting, well, they need to accept responsibility and make changes in order to make that co-parenting more productive and successful.
The ones that are affected are the children.
Kids. Yeah, they're innocent in it. It's not their choice throughout these things. So I feel like they're the most important, and you have to just be adults and put the hard times behind you and show up for the kids.
Yeah, for sure. Did you guys have any resources that you looked to, books you read, or did you just kind of figure it out as it was happening?
I asked friends of mine who I knew their parents had gone through divorces, anything that your parents did that was wrong, that you didn't like, and pretty much everyone said, I didn't like when one parent, even if I knew that parent was wrong, I didn't like when a parent talked about the other parent. They didn't want to hear about it.
Yeah.
And I took that to heart. And then his parents, they got divorced when you were, 18, 19? Mm-hmm. But they always made it about the kids. They do every holiday together. They sit together at sports games. They go to dinner together. And so they were a great example for us. And just yesterday, they're at the basketball game together.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that is really nice. So you guys do all holidays together with the kids?
We've done a lot.
Most, yeah.
I feel like we'll be doing more and more.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is there a funny or memorable co-parenting fail that you guys would be comfortable sharing with fans or readers?
Can you forget the kids at school a couple times? No, I'm just kidding.
Wow.
That's so cool.
Wow.
I feel like we have daily mom fails in general, but that's just life.
Yeah, I don't know. Probably our only one's probably public is the soccer field.
The public one, then probably the soccer field one, which was a little low time in our life.
Yep. And then Brayden ended up in the ER, and then we all just forgave each other and moved on.
That was That's actually very interesting that we went through that.
Yeah, that was
It kind of brought us all back together, and that's bringing you back to what's important is the kids.
Yeah, that is interesting. It's kind of significant of the fact that the kids are what's most important. Tarek, you recently posted a video of you and Braden going to look at a potential flipping house, and it was a really cute video. Is Taylor also interested in flipping houses? Are we going to see like the El Musa kids flipping houses anytime soon?
Yes. So Braden's like obsessed. Like he knows the business. He looks for deals. We've actually written an offer on a fixer-upper before, believe it or not. He loves it. Taylor used to love it a lot more, but now she's a teenager.
She's in the friend phase.
She's more in the friend phase, but once she gets through that phase, she'll be back. And she's just so incredible when it comes to being a designer. Yeah, as an entrepreneur, she just has it. You know, she has that gift. She can talk.
Skills.
Yes.
Yeah. Does she like design or flipping more? Design.
She has such a great eye.
But as she gets older, she might like flipping more. I feel like she's motivated, she's driven, and she's been a part of it forever. And I think she looks up to all of us. So
Yeah.
we'll see what happens.
You think you're going to try to get Tristan involved in
I'm
the
sure.
business?
I think naturally he just will because it's such a big part of our lives and what we do. And you know, Taylor and Braden have been involved in this since they were in her belly, and now Tristan with me. So I feel like it'll just naturally come for him.
Yeah. Is there anything else that you guys would like to tell readers or fans about co-parenting or about your journey?
Man, sometimes you just gotta bite your tongue. And you know, sometimes you have to deal with things you don't want to deal with for the greater good of your children. Like, I don't know how else to put it.
Yeah, I mean, I think communication is really important. We're on a group text. We try to stay organized. I have 3 kids in 3 different schools. They have 2 kids in 2 different schools plus a 2-year-old. So it's it's a lot to manage. And if you're not working together at it, that can be difficult, right? So I think that just organizing uniforms, backpacks, sports.
Yeah, that sounds like a ton.
Yeah, but
So much better when you're getting along.
Yes.
Like I feel like the takeaway is just get along.
It makes it
because
easier.
It makes it so much easier and so nice to have a relationship with, you know, the ex-wife and like me, the new wife. And I really like praise her because being a mom and letting like another woman coming in and helping raise the kids, it's not easy. And I feel like she's really let me come in and parent them. Same with Tarek, I mean, from the very beginning. And I feel like just get along because it's just so much better for everyone.
Yeah. And I feel like you two really like build each other up, which is such a good example for the kids, but also just for, you know, a lot of people who are in the same situation as you guys.
I'd much rather have a stepmom who cares about my kids, who cares about everyone's well-being, than someone who's selfish and who I don't like. Like, I'd much prefer someone who loves my kids and who my kids love. It would be selfish for me not to want that, right?
Yeah. And I think a lot of people too, like our fans and stuff, have seen you guys together, obviously more so now on social with the flip off, and everyone is like commenting about how admirable it is, and it is very cool.
Yeah, anyone who wouldn't think that just has their own issues, because there's nothing that, like, everyone should want to support each other, especially when it comes to the kids.
Yeah.
Look at him. And with that, he's yawning.
I held it till the very end.